have a red kite flying over the road as we speak. Beautiful. I'm going to pull in and we're going to try and get a little glimpse of it. Will I? Probably not, but you can see the sunrise as well. It's beautiful. Oh my word, it is bloody lush. So I've just pulled over, just had a red kite over the car. I don't think I'm going to get it, but we'll give it a go. And also, the sunrise is looking beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. There's a red kite just in this tree here, and I'm going to try photograph it. This isn't unusual, but to see this many is pretty cool. Facing towards us, lighting's just coming up behind it. Oh yes, oh yes, just flew. Should have got quite a nice shot with that. There's a buzzard calling as well. Seems like quite a good field. And I've got a fox. Here we go then. I've got a fox. Got a fox in the field. Oh, this is why I love sunrise. It's a bit distant, but... And we've got the red kite calling as well at the same time. Running away from us there, that's the trouble. Oh, just caught something. What a start to the day. Beautiful. We got another red kite flying now. I'm going to stay here for a minute. It's all go, go, go. Just getting my other tripod out because there's a shot I would like to get. I'm going to put my 2x converter on as well, just so it makes my lens from a 500 to a 1000 mil. Just because this buzzard sat in the tree is facing me, and I would like to get a better shot with a bit more stability. The light's there, but just got to change a few of the settings, etc. So we've got a buzzard and a red kite in the shot. So I've just put my 2x converter on. I just want to get this shot of the buzzard in the tree. It's through a gap, an old oak tree with a buzzard face, and there's so many red kites I can't actually get over how many there are. Right there, we've got the fox right down in front of us. Here we go, and it's coming up the hedge line. But I'm still after the shot of the buzzard in this oak tree. You've got two red kites either side of it. I'm going to keep an eye on the fox because that's on the hedge line to the right. We've got also red kites in the tree line on the right, but we're focusing on this buzzard. This fox is running up towards us now as well. And we're going to keep still, getting closer, ever so closer. He's hunting, stalking its prey. Ooh. Oh yeah! Did it get it? Oh, it looked like it missed. But that's okay, because that means it's getting closer to us. Fox coming up close to us now. I'm gonna have to start being quiet. Oh, this is beautiful. I had to be quiet then because I didn't want to disturb. But look at that shot there. Came within 15 metres, and the shot I've got is absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Oh, wow, wee. So a red kite turned into multiple red kites, a buzzard sat in a beautiful oak tree, and the fox. Yeah, stunning. After actually scouting out that area, after I saw the fox, there was a public right of way into that field. So next time I might go out tomorrow morning and get there at the same time and just sit in the corner so I can get a lower down, different angle, because I feel like I was at the top of the field, slight hill, so my photo of the fox is sort of above it, not sort of eye level with it. If you can get eye level with your subject, with wildlife photography, bird photography, I feel like it adds more depth of field and it creates, you're on the same level as it, so it engages you more into the photo. So that was exciting. I'm glad I stopped. Literally 3/4 of an hour there, and now on to our next stop into the actual reserve that we're going to now. And yeah, sweet. So we've just arrived at the next destination. I've got to get out, unlock the gate, and then we will go through and hopefully we get some deer. That's what I'm hoping for, but you never know. That's the whole point of wildlife photography. Let's go through. We'll have to shut the gate after, but lovely jolly. Right, so here we go then. This moment of truth. Don't let me down, dears. I almost want to point the camera to show. Yeah, I think I might do that. So I think it might go up. Excuse the dirty windscreen, I'm out of fluid. So now you've got a lovely view of my journey. So public can't get to this spot, which makes it even better. Quite good for birds during spring and autumn migration periods. There's actually quite a lot of water in the lake at the moment. Usually it drains quite a lot. This is usually where we start seeing something, so I'm going to try a little slower. It's absolutely stunning. I like to be sort of first person here because otherwise, yeah, you're not going to see a lot. But that sun's quite bright, so I'll turn it back this way now in a minute. Got a mute swan kicking out. Pheasant. Very dark pheasant. Could we have it? Looks like we do, guys. Oh yes, it's a young baby deer. So we've got a young over here. Oh, she's going. She's gone. Oh, bloody love it. Yeah, I do. I'm just going to move down to the wooded area of this part of the reserve. Follow you into the park, circle through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you. So good. I think this is in my top 5 songs. Has to be. I don't know if that's the name, top 5 songs. is whenever I'm with you. Oh, baby, come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Oof. So that's a wrap. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. If you could press that subscribe button and follow along for the next journey.